today we're gonna be making like slime, and I'm allergic to slime, but like I'm not allergic to slime, but I'm allergic to water slime. So I'm allowed to make this slime that we're making today. Okay, so and I have a special guest today. Not really special guest because you're in almost all of my videos.
Excuse me, not special.
She's right here, Mylee.
Ow, my neck.
Oh yeah, we're eating chips. They're salt and vinegar.
And I can even get in the camera.
Aw.
I hope you guys only like seeing half of me. The worst half.
Here.
Okay. So. Herbal measuring cups. Okay, so.
Ow.
Guys, okay, so. We're gonna get right started. 1 minute and 3 seconds in the video.
Oh yeah, we're using these clearly glue things.
That's not one of them's glue, one's solution. Clear glue. So we need 15 ml. I don't know what that stands for. Come at me.
Milliliters. You're in 5th grade. I'm in 3rd grade, and
You don't learn this until like high school. Not high school, but you know what I mean. Do you mind coming out?
Let me see.
I know closing. Try closing it.
I'm doing that right now.
Oh no, I have a great idea. Genius.
We're stupid.
I'm not.
Well, yeah, you're not stupid, but I am.
So.
Why are you doing so hot?
Hmm?
Why are you doing it so
I
hot?
don't know. It has to be at eye level, so.
I usually do it like right here. Actually, way down here.
You're supposed to do it at eye level so you can get exact. Uh-oh. Oh, we're going. Okay, there we are. So I'm going to get mine first. Stop. I'm going to use the back of my mixer, which is a marker.
We're using these little bowls.
We got it from creme brulee.
Yeah. We got them from creme
Go look
brulee.
Look how much I got out. From just the wall.
Oh, this chip is weird.
So are you. And I. Come in. Okay. Got my glue. Shut up. Stop. I'm gonna leave this video.
Okay.
I made the slime last night too.
Yeah.
So
She did, but I didn't. So I don't
Yeah.
know how to make this.
he's
She
being
does.
really annoying, so I locked him in my room and made it. It was fun.
Yeah. And then she
Wait.
told me she was changing.
Yeah.
It didn't convince me.
I wasn't changing.
Yeah, it didn't convince me.
Okay.
So I popped
Pour it
the
in
lock with a hanger.
Pour it in here. And then my sister hurt him, and he was crying as he fell down the stairs.
I literally fell down the stairs while I was crying.
Nickelodeon slime. So
There we go.
scrape the sides, Cole, please. Cole, I still need to use that.
Here you go.
You little.
There, I fixed it.
So we're just gonna use this one. So next we need 25 ml of water.
Milliliters of water.
Refreshing. It's gonna come out way faster. Hence the word water. Like when I'm doing all the measuring, Cole's eating chips, watching me.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a great measurer. You guys should see me bake. You should see me. Okay, we're about halfway onto the.
Pretty
On the
soon we're
table.
gonna be doing a baking with coal. And
We
Mylee.
did a, yeah. I can read fractions pretty good, but if
And
I don't have a
Mylee.
measuring cup, I can't measure it. Okay, so next, make blue or clear. So I'm gonna be the one making clear, and Cole's gonna making three. Cole's gonna be making
She said 3.
blue.
Yeah, I'm making blue.
So I'm just
Just make 'em
I'm just
clear.
gonna mix mine.
Then I put this blue in.
You take like a popsicle stick and you put a lot of it in there. You see how mine turned out yesterday?
Can I just?
So I used a lot of glue.
Oh.
Not glue. Blue! Sorry, I'm stupid. Okay. I'm only looking at the viewfinder. Hi! I'm looking at myself right now. And there's the viewfinder.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm looking at the viewfinder, not the lens. You know what I mean. I'm just mixing.
The height is not coming out. You're so smart.
Okay, go ahead and make. Oops. Make it fall over the carpet. I'm in Cole's room and our table is seriously a freaking drawer.
Yeah.
We'll do a setup
Yeah.
setup tour whenever we're finished. The setup.
Actually, I'm pretty sure they already know my setup.
Have you ever showed them? Hey, don't mind this white thing right here.
Yeah.
I have to mix it pretty well. Ew.
Mine's not blue. It's chunks of blue. I don't think it's gonna turn out good.
I need a water slime anyway.
I'm allergic to water slime.
Yeah, you got into a slime, stuff like slime bath. Yeah, you got into that and you had allergic reaction.
Yeah.
But that's different. With different like stuff in it. Plus, Mom doesn't let you go to school if you have an allergic reaction. Cole's gonna go put water on its head.
Yeah. No, I'm just gonna play with water slime
Enough.
so I don't have to go to school.
Okay. Five milliliters of.
I'm literally just eating these salt and
Slime
vinegar chips
activator.
while I'm watching her doing all the
And it's like,
measuring.
what does this mean? And he's like, did the forehead out?
Actually, it's not that. It's
Whatever.
this.
No, he just throws it in his face, idiot.
It's like this.
Go get some popcorn.
Oh, some of the chips got in my eye.
Put some slime activator in that too. There's way too much glue in this, Cole. No wonder the blue isn't turning out. Get the rest of the blue out.
Oh, my eye hurts.
Do with the back of your thing. Cole, you're like, I can just hear you breathing from over here. Yeah, that's what you sound like. Remember I used to annoy each other. It's like, that's how you sound. Like Shelby started it.
Yeah.
That was great.
Oh, crap.
Here.
Is that good? Oh, I poured that in there.
Now you do. Here. Okay, we're now adding in the slime activator.
Bo.
But look at this. It's not. I can do a prank on you.
Dang it.
You cool?
Prank Wars might be coming soon.
So you know how annoying, and I know how I got so annoyed at you the other night.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you back for that. It's true. Prank wars may begin in 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm gonna do an awesome exit in this video. Like, do a
That's
don't
the
believe
back
it.
of it. Front of it.
Yeah, I ran out. We used all the glitter. Well, I used all the glitter last night because there was like not enough.
Yeah.
There's like not even 5 ml. 5 ml.
Milliliters.
ml. There's just like a tiny bit of it. Working out pretty well. Okay, cool. Start mixing. Let's see yours turned out better, but I did a lot of measuring, so I may have just messed yours up. I might have, I might not. It's like,
I think mine's turning into slime.
I have to cough there for a second. It's like, ew. Yeah, Cole has this hair gel called Gorilla Snot. You guys
Yeah.
might have known it. What time is it? I might as well ask Siri, but that's kind of stopped our video. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, one time I was looking at our camera is pretty good, and it says like the time and everything. I'll show you probably after this. Time and everything when from the video. And
No, he's going to a birthday party, guy.
yeah.
Oh my
I
god.
was saying.
Oh!
I forgot what I was saying. Thanks, guys.
Oh man, I have to stop playing with the. Oh wow, mine's slime.
Mine too. Mine's slimy slime. Look at this. After this, I have to go to work. Well, I have
Oh
to start
crap!
on work. For my work, me and my friend do like a Barbie doll hair
Oh my freak!
slime thing.
There, it's off my fingers.
So we might have to do that tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, after this.
Yeah.
We have school tomorrow. And Mom's not going to get out, even though I felt sick today.
Mine's like so cool.
Pick it up.
No, because it's really sticky.
Cool, just pick it up. Chicken. Here. Well, you probably want to knead it first. I need to knead. Here's 12 minutes, that's fun. Well, so far it's 12 minutes. Probably gonna make like 25 with Cole.
Yeah, if you're with me, your video is probably going to be like 50 minutes.
Like an hour.
Yeah.
It's like leaning back and relaxing, and you're just like,
It's blue snot.
I thank you.
Oh crap.
Cannot wait for Prank Wars to start. It officially starts at 12 p.m. tonight. Planning starts today, like tonight, before midnight.
Well, I might make a video at midnight, so
Oh, no, you can't. We have school tomorrow.
I don't care.
It's gonna be really green.
Schmunk school. I don't know what I just said.
Well, if you get to stay home tomorrow and I don't, you can like make a video and like prank ideas.
And then once you get home, I could prank you as soon as you get home.
Oh, thanks for telling me. I'm gonna be on
Right.
high alert. I need to go grab something. Okay. Okay, Cole.
It's still sticky. Can you put some of the?
Wait, let me go grab something.
Look at this. It's like really sticky. Oh, frick. I gotta play with it and like knead it and stuff. This is like really watery. You hear this? Oh, frick, it got on my arm.
I gotta go, Sally. I got my thing, but you promised not to scream.
Okay.
This is gonna be how we're doing prank wars.
Oh my god!
This is my little kitty cat. Her name's Princess Potty Mouth.
Yeah, but show them what it does.
Doesn't it look so cute? See? Princess Potty Mouth. It came with a name. I didn't name her that. I'm not that clever. Wait, am I? Or am I? For pranks, I am.
No.
For pranks, I am.
Oh, frick.
I'm a
Hey, Mylee, I
prankster,
need
Mylee.
activator.
Wait. Let me think of the ball.
Hit me
Right
with
on your carpet.
activator.
I could put this in your drink and it could pass as ice. That's one of the reasons why I'm actually doing this video with you. And because you can't measure the things out there on yourself. Exposed.
Oh.
We still have our Christmas tree up.
Yeah, we still have my little Christmas tree up.
What are you talking about? Two of your new backdrops?
Oh yeah.
It's on the first one. Next one will be
Wait, we have two?
I didn't tell you about it.
Oh my god.
It's a good one. It's just for like videos. You like there's not like if you was like.
Oh my god! Can you take this from me?
No, I can't. Show them. It's like a sneeze. Make a sneezing sound. No, he's like. It's like I have an idea for this slime.
My hands are filled with slime. See, I told you it was a bad idea.
Hey, you're the one who wanted to do this.
No, I told you it was a bad
Bum
idea.
muncher.
I told you it was a bad idea for me to pick it up.
Well, I'm gonna put this down.
I haven't played with slime ever since I realized that I'm allergic to water slime.
You filthy liar.
Well, Oh, we should make an intro like with slime.
I can make good intro. Like a good intro, not like iMovie-ish. No, just kidding. What's gonna be a good intro? Just like, hi guys. Hi. That's after the actual joke. Sorry, it's dying.
Ooh, well, I'm getting some off.
Just my leg.
We have a dying Mylee over here. If anyone wants to come buy her, I'll put her in the description down below.
Or yes, put her address. We should get a PO box.
Oh, we should.
So we should get a PO box. Oh, we should. We have a meeting later today for his YouTube channel. So that's fun, right, Cole?
Oh, it should be like this.
Cole, did you forget about it?
What?
The meeting we have after.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's gonna be in the place of our
Oh,
new
your
our
intro.
second backdrop. It was too
Uh.
messy in the shut up. Let me speak, okay? So I just dropped this right on me. Yeah, you attacked my dogs
No.
earlier, and I dropped it right on my legs. It hurts.
Oh crap.
Okay, so
Oh crap, we're doing
two things. One, it's been 6 minutes since the last time anchor, and it's 18 minutes now. Well, after we announce the first backdrop, I'm gonna stop. Seriously,
Riley, can you help me?
wash your hands. There's a bathroom right next door.
Yeah, it's mine and Miley's bathroom.
So actually, it's not really ours because I just moved into the room that came with the bathroom. It's on the other side of the hall.
Ow, this water's so hot.
And change it, little butt sniffer.
Okay, now
I have an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna put green dye in this. Put green dye in this. It looks like snot. And make Cole. You put in Nicole's hair. I really sneezed. Okay. So, yeah, it's not really our bathroom. It's supposed to be though. Right, Princess Bonnie Mouth. Oh, good trick. Good trick. Cole, what's taking so long? Don't much things to say to the camera. It's like, hi, I'm Billy Bob. Raindrop foot. Whetstone.
Hey guys,
The
comment
third.
down below if she's trying to
100.
steal my YouTube channel. For some reason, I feel like she's saying, don't comment that down below.
How? I'm pressed up against the bed. Yeah, Cole. You can't. So can I edit this video?
What?
Can I do the editing for this video?
No.
Please.
I edit my own
I
videos.
told them. I told them a prank of. Don't get me wet. Stop. Stop. Seriously. I'm gonna get you back even worse. Stop. Ow!
Okay, fine.
I'm getting you back even worse on prank boys. And also one more thing right now.
Ah! Is this the...
Activator. Cool, don't put that much.
Well, I just did.
Cool, I'm gonna edit it because I put an idea for my pranks in there.
Okay. I guess I'll have to watch the video to see the prank.
No, you're not.
Okay, I need a little bit more
First, I need to do all your prank plans.
Not fair.
Hey, there might be a prank I'm doing. Cool, don't add more glue.
What?
You idiot. And I'd add more water.
Oh, frick.
What you're doing right now? Only add a tiny bit of water. And a little more. This one. Please,
I
Jack,
put a lot more.
Well, I guess we'll just end this video. It's 21 minutes and we're not cutting mayo.
Yeah. What the heck? It's still so watery.
Because you put too much water, you idiot.
Okay, should I put more glue?
And activator. He's doing it double. Let me show you. I just slammed it right into the water bottle. And it spilled all over the floor. I'm a great filmer. Put his potty mouth, get out of here. Ow.
I'm the best filmer here.
You're using a tripod right now. Forget film. We should hire one. We should hire one. Probably get like a different camera.
Like Uncle Nathan and Jake Paul's
You know how
vlogs.
bad this water's hurting right now? Look at my leg.
They can't see it.
Not you. Not them. I mean you.
The heck?
I hope you have a fun time washing your bowl because this is the bowl used for everybody.
Oh,
You know that, right?
frick.
You know that? We've used these videos in like a lot of our other videos that we actually used. We actually made stuff like this in.
This is hard to get this glue out.
Stop.
Sorry.
Yeah, I start dry heaving whenever people make that sound too much, and that's fun.
Yeah, whenever we
Throw
go
up
like
on
this,
camera. Ow.
whenever we go like this,
Idiot.
she starts to cry and pinch everyone.
Well, actually, because
And then she dry heaves.
and I'm gonna pinch you if you do it again. My pinches really hurt. I left him a really bad bruise on his arm, and he was crying. But he also punched me, so I was crying too.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here in the chest.
Yeah.
Let me get that back for you. I need you so hard for that. So hard back. I have like 5 ideas for printing. Cool.
Give me some of them.
No. They're really good ideas too. Like the grape stomper. I talked to you soon. I talked to you soon. I'm more of the prankster in the family, so.
Yeah. I'm more of the
Dirt bike rider.
Xbox and dirt bike.
Yeah, so basically I'm more active than him. Well, you sit
Yeah,
on your
you're
dirt bike all
totally-
day. You sit on your dirt bike all day sometimes.
Yeah, I literally sit on my dirt bike and watch YouTube sometimes.
No, you sit on your dirt bike all day and ride it, which is just sitting down and moving your foot. Your arms
Actually,
like
it
this.
takes a lot of strength to ride a dirt bike
You
without
mean to pick up a
trainers.
dirt bike? You mean to pick up a dirt
I
bike?
actually can. Oh yeah, and I work out, so
Yeah.
makes me
We
stronger.
should make a video like that. It's like working out. It's cool.
And Mylee, JK, Miley's not in all my videos.
It might be.
Actually, I made a couple videos without you.
Like 2. Which were 3 minutes long. This is so cool. Okay, there she's gone.
Okay, I think I'm good.
24 minutes. Okay, I think we should stop the video here.
Let me finish my goal.
Cool, now I still need to do
What?
the heart review on crafts.
Oh yeah.
Are you done? Well, did you finish it?
What?
Did you finish it?
Finish what?
The heart.
No.
Hey, Colin, guess what you have to do afterwards? Since this is your studio, and what you get to do? Clean off the desk.
I hate you.
Hey, you made the biggest mess down and I spilled a tiny bit of water all over the
You
floor.
spilled water all over the
It
floor.
was the floor, not the desk. Water will dry too. Glue and paint will dry, except it won't go away.
I have so
I have a
much.
couple video ideas.
I have so much glue. Like, I have a lot of slime on my pants right now. Not a lot,
Okay,
but like
definitely
a
wanna
little bit of
change.
streaks.
Well, here's my slime.
Can I touch yours?
No. Oh, that's stuff on your hand. Okay.
Yeah, grab the towel. We should have just made this video on the towel.
Yeah, but the eggshells are gonna be everywhere. Yeah, so we filmed a video earlier.
Yeah, right
And
before
there
this
wasn't-
one.
And there wasn't any sound, like the sound wasn't working.
Yeah.
So it's like
Okay.
the whole entire time.
The
It's not like Donald Duck.
the
Are you screaming? I have to put some
audio,
turf on my foot. No.
the audio, it was like really bad.
I sound like what's that?
So I'm gonna finish this up.
And you
In
know
the
me-
meantime,
and you know me, I have the greatest outros. I'll show you. Okay. So wait, let me put this down. Okay. So.
hey Mylee, in the meantime, you can play my Xbox.
No, we still have the meeting. Okay.
Oh yeah, guys, guess what?
No, I need to add my outro. It's so cool.
Hey guys, guess what? I have Minecraft socks. Me and my friend Josh, we both got
12 days of Minecraft socks.
yeah, 12 days of Minecraft socks for Christmas.
Fun
Just
one.
my mom forgot to give me that present on Christmas,
What a
and she
great mom.
forgot to wrap it.
What a great mom. I have most in my room now because I put it on my dad. Okay, well, I need to do my epic outro, and I'll see you at the meeting after you finish the video, okay? Because it's going to be a 30-minute video, and we're not cutting my mayo. Okay, so 3, I'm going to put over here. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, so cool. She's right there watching me vlog.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, he has her stupid cat.
The potty mouth.
She has Princess Potty Mouth.
This.
Oh my god.
So, do the 3 stages. So, calm, annoyed, no, annoyed, annoyed, kill you. Well, I'm gonna go now.
Look at this. She's right there.
No, I'm not.
1 second, guys. I go talk to them. No, I wash my hands.
But I left.
Go talk to them.
Life Talk with Mylee. I was supposed to talk to you, but I have nothing to talk about. Here. This is a new segment I like to call Buy Whatever I'm Using, okay? Buy this selfie stick.
Don't
or else.
shout out! Don't shout out your own YouTube channel!
I'm going to do it. Don't hold me hostage. Buy it. Buy. Buy it from Billy Bob Joe. Actually, we're gonna be having new people do that, not just us. We're not gonna be so that segment. We're still gonna be doing it, except not us. Well, bye. Bye.
Oof. I got an iPad, guys. Want to see it? Dun, 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 iPad.
I'm back.
Okay, so
Look at that bang, that's Princess Potty Mouth.
I already showed you my slime. So
You can't pick it up.
thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe,
That's
turn
right.
on the notifications bell, and well, smash that subscribe button just like this. Smash it.
Or go like this.
No, just go like this,
Okay, well.
and then, well, thanks for watching, and thanks for bye.